To download Unreal Engine 5, first go to the download site. Click Download Launcher. Open the installer. Wait for the download to complete. Now, log in with your account or create a new one. If this screen doesn't appear, ensure the Unreal Engine tab is selected. Now, go to the library. Click this plus button and choose the latest stable version. Click Install, Accept, and Accept. Here, change the path to a disk other than C drive. Click Options and select the starter content. The rest is not necessary for now. And hit Install. Now, wait for the download and installation. This may take some time depending on your internet. Once complete, click Launch to open and test the engine. Here, in the Games section, choose the first-person template. Set to Blueprint, change the project path and name, and click Create. Once it opens, this screen should appear. Click Play from here, and now you have it.